Hello students, welcome to Concept Classes. Today we are going to discuss class 10th algebra third chapters problem set 3. So चलिए start करते हैं problem set 3 का first question. So our first question is choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following sub questions. Okay, so ये एक filling the blanks multiple choice questions है, तो ये आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में 4 मार्क्स का आता है, तो इसे करना कंपलसरी है. तो चलिए देखते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है हमें. द सीक्वेंस -10, -6, -2 एंड 2. सो हमें सीक्वेंस दिया हुआ है और 4 ऑप्शंस दिया हुआ है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या दिया है, इज एन ए पी. ये ए पी है और रीज़न क्या दे रहा है इसका कि कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है -16. सो हमें सेकंड क्या दिया है, इज एन ए पी रीजन डी इक्वल टू 4. थर्ड, इज एन ए पी रीजन डी इक्वल टू -4. फोर्थ, डी इज़ नॉट एन ए पी. सो सबसे पहले हमें ये देखना है कि ये ए पी है कि नहीं है. तो मैंने आपको बताया है कि ए पी क्या होता है. ए पी जो जिसका कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम आता है वो ए पी होता है. सो हमें कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालना है. अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम आएगा तो वही क्या होगा, हमारा ए पी होगा. तो हमें 3 ऑप्शन में तो देकर रखा है ए पी ए पी ए पी, बट हमें कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है कि कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होता है. और अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं आएगा तो ए पी नहीं होगा. तो देखते हैं हमारा सीक्वेंस क्या दिया हुआ है, -10, -6, -2 एंड 2. सो ये हमारा T1 होगा, ये T2 होगा, ये T3 होगा और ये T4 होगा. सो कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालने के लिए क्या करते हैं, T2 माइनस T1. सो -6 -10. So -6 plus 10. So you will get 4. Again T3 minus T2. So T3 is -2 minus 6. So you will get -2 minus plus 6. So you will get 4. So your common difference is constant. So और वो कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है, 4 है. तो ये सीक्वेंस क्या होगा, ए पी होगा. और कॉमन डिफरेंस 4 कौन से ऑप्शन में दिख रहा है आपके, बी ऑप्शन में. सो इसलिए आपका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा, बी. आपको एग्जाम में इस तरह से सॉल्व नहीं करना है, लेकिन अगर आपको सॉल्व नहीं करने आएगा तो आप आंसर करेक्टली नहीं चूज कर पाओगे. सो इसलिए आपको ये सीखना है कि हमें सॉल्व किस तरह से करना है. सो चलिए अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, फर्स्ट 4 टर्म ऑफ एन ए पी आर. फर्स्ट 4 टर्म हमें पूछा है ए पी का. अब क्या है वो हमें फाइंड करना है, लेकिन हमें कुछ दिया हुआ है. क्या दिया हुआ है, फर्स्ट टर्म इज -2 एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस इज -2. सो फर्स्ट टर्म भी -2 है, कॉमन डिफरेंस भी -2 है. सो देखते हैं फर्स्ट टर्म -2 है, मीन्स ए क्या है, -2 है एंड डी भी क्या है, -2 दिया हुआ है. और हमें फाइंड क्या करना है, ए पी. तो ए पी फाइंड करने के लिए हमारे पास फॉर्मूला था, हमने स्टार्टिंग में उसको डिस्कस किया था प्रैक्टिस से 3.2 स्टार्ट करने से पहले. वो फार्मूला क्या था कि T1 और A इक्वल होता है, मीन्स -2 होता है. इफ़ हमें T2 फाइंड करना है तो हम क्या करते हैं, T1 प्लस D. सो T1 क्या है हमारा, -2 and plus -2. So you will get -2 and minus. So you will get 0. अभी हमें T3 निकालना है तो हम क्या करते हैं, T2 प्लस D. So T2 क्या है हमारा, 0 and प्लस D क्या है हमारा, -2. So you will get -2. Again T4 निकालना है हमें. So T3 प्लस D. So T3 क्या है हमारा, -2 एंड डी क्या है हमारा, -2. ओके, सो क्या आ जाएगा आपका, -2 एंड -2, यू विल गेट -4. सो आपका ए पी क्या होगा, आपका ए पी होगा 0 -2 -4. तो 0 -2 -4 इस तरह से ये चलता रहेगा. तो देखिए ये ऑप्शन आपको कहाँ पे दिख रहा है. सो ये ऑप्शन इसमें देखिए कुछ रॉन्ग हो गया है हमारा, -2 माइनस. सो ये भी 4 होगा, माइनस एंड माइनस क्या होगा, प्लस होगा. सो -4 एंड यहाँ पे भी रॉन्ग हो गया है. फिर हमारा इस सब को चेंज करना पड़ेगा हमें. सो हमारा T2 क्या है, -4 एंड प्लस डी क्या है -2, सो यू विल गेट -4 एंड -2 यू विल गेट -6. अगेन T3 इज -6 प्लस -2, so you will get -6 -2 you will get -8. So your AP is -4 -6 -8 so on. So इस तरह से चलता रहेगा. So देखिए ये ऑप्शन आपको कहाँ पे दिख रहा है, तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी देखिए, ये हमने एक नहीं लिखा हमारा टी टर्म. T1 हमारा -2 है, T2 -4 है, T3 -6 है एंड T4 -8 है. इस तरह से चलता रहेगा. तो ये ऑप्शन आपको दिख रहा है सी ऑप्शन, इसलिए आपके क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड का आंसर क्या होगा, सी. चलिए अब थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. सो थर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है, व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट 30 नेचुरल नंबर. सो फर्स्ट 30 नेचुरल नंबर का सम निकालना है. सो बहुत इजी है. प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.3 स्टार्ट होने से पहले हमने सम के फॉर्मूलेस को डिस्कस किया था, तो वही फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज होगा. सो फर्स्ट 30 नेचुरल नंबर, सो हमारा AP क्या होगा, 1 2 3 4 ऐसे क्या होगा 30 तक जाएगा. ओके, सो हमारा TN कितना हो गया, 30 हो गया, लेकिन यहाँ पे TN का यूज़ नहीं है हमारा. ठीक है, सो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, सम का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो सम का फॉर्मूला SN इज इक्वल टू n/2 ब्रैकेट 2a प्लस n-1 इंटू डी. यहाँ पे टोटल कितने टर्म है, 30, तो हमारा n कितना हो जाएगा 30. फर्स्ट टर्म क्या होता है a एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होगा d. सो 2 - 1 1, सो d इज इक्वल टू 1. अभी वैल्यू पुट कीजिए तो s 30 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे 30/2 एंड हियर 2 × 1 एंड हियर 30 - 1 एंड हियर 1. सो यू विल गेट हियर 15 and 2 1 जा 2, 29 into 1. So 15 and here 2 plus 29. So you will get 15 into 31. Now multiply it. 15 1 जा 15, 15 3 जा 45, 45 और 1 46. So you will get 465. So 465 option number B. Next question number 4. So what is your question number 4? For an given AP T7 is equal to 4. So T7 दिया है आपको कितना 4. So if T7 आपको 4 दिया हुआ है, ओके, आगे क्या बोल रहा है, D is equal to -4. D आपको -4 दिया है और फाइंड क्या करने बोल रहा है A. सो देखिए अब यहाँ पे T7 दिया है, तो आपका फॉर्मूला भी TN वाला अप्लाई होगा. तो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कीजिए, TN इज इक्वल टू A प्लस n-1 इंटू डी. आपको A फाइंड करना है. सो TN दिया है, मीन्स n की जगह पे 7 है, सो वैल्यू ऑफ n इज 7 एंड T7 इज 4. सो यहाँ पे T7 इज इक्वल टू A प्लस वैल्यू ऑफ n इज 7 - 1, वैल्यू ऑफ D इज -4. Okay, so what is the value of T7? So T7 value is 4 is equal to A plus 6 into -4. So plus 4 is equal to A plus minus, so -24. Now -24 come on that side, so it will become a plus. So plus 24 is equal to A. So you will get A equal to 28. So the value of A is 28. So your answer is D. Okay, now next question. For an given AP, A is 3.5, D is 0, N is 101. So then find TN. So this is also easy question. So first of all write the question. So A is equal to 3.5, D is equal to 0 and N is equal to 101. So you have to find value of TN. Okay, so put the formula. TN is equal to A plus n-1 into D. So what is the value of N? 101. What is the value of A? 3.5. plus what is the value of n? Again 101 minus 1, value of d is 0. So you will get 3.5 plus 100 into 0. So 100 into 0 becomes 0. So 3.5 plus 0, your answer is 3.5. So T101 is 3.5. So your correct answer is option number B. So let's see our question number 6. So what is our question number 6? First of all, read it. In an AP, first two term are minus 3 and 4. So our first two term is given minus 3 and 4. Then find the T21, means you have to find the 21st term. So first of all, this is your T1 and this is your T2. So here T1 is A. Now you have to find the common difference. So how to find the common difference? D equal to T2 minus T1. So what is the value of T2? 4 and minus, again minus 3. So you will get 4 minus minus plus, now 3. 4 and 3, 7. So value of D is 7. Now put the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So the value of n, here the value of n is 21. So T21, the value of A is minus 3. Again 21 minus 1, the value of D is 7. So minus 3 plus 20 into 7. So you will get minus 3 plus 7 2 ja 14. So you will now plus minus is minus, so you will get 137. So your answer is 137, means option number C. So let's see our question number 7. So what is our question number 7? First of all, read it. So in your textbook page number 79, for 7th question, if for any AP D is equal to 5. So you have a one AP and you have a given D is equal to 5. Now you have to find the value of T18 minus T13. T18 minus T13. So what is the value of T18 minus T13? So if you find the value of T18 minus T13, so first of all you have to find T18 and T13. Now minus it both the value, then you will get the answer. So let's start. So you know very well the formula of Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here the value of T18 means n is equal to 18. So you have to put the value T18 is equal to A. We don't know the value of A, and the value of n is 18 minus 1, and we have a value of D which is 5. Now A plus 18 minus 1, 17 into 5. 17 5 ja 85. So this is a value of T18. Now same as you have to find the value of T13. So here if this is T13, then your value of n is 13. So same process, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put the value of n. So T13 is equal to A plus 13 minus 1 into 5. A plus 12 into 5. You will get A plus 60. So this is the value of T13. Now you have to find the value of T18 minus T13. So what is the value of T18 minus T13? So put the value of T18, A plus 85 minus value of T30, A plus 60. So your sign will change. So A plus 85 minus A minus 60. Now plus minus gets cancelled. You will get 85 minus 60. So 5 1. So you will get 50. So what is your answer? Your answer is option. Sorry, there is some mistakes. I think 85 minus 60. So if you will 85 minus 60, then you will get 25. Yeah. Now next question, question number 8. So let's read the question. Sum of first 5 multipliers of 3 is. सो हम लोगों को क्या करना है, सम ऑफ 5 मल्टीप्लाइज निकालना है किसका, 3 का. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड द multiplication of 3. First 5 multiplication of 3. So you know the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. 1 2 3 4 5. Now you will add it. So you have a formula which is Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So first of all, if you put this formula, then you have to find the value of a, value of n, value of d, and then you will get Sn. So what is the value of n? 1 2 3 4 5. So n is equal to 5. Okay, now what is the value of a? So first term is a, so a equal to 3. Now what is the value of d? So common difference is d, means d is equal to 3. Now put the value. So n upon 2 means 5 upon 2, then 2 into value of a is 3, then again 5 minus 1, then value of d is 3. Now 5 upon 2 as it is, 2 3s are 6 plus 5 minus 1 4 into 3. So 5 upon 2, 6 plus 4 3s are 12. Then 5 upon 2 into 18, 2 9s are 18. 9 5 ja 45. So you will get 45. So your final answer is 45, means option A. Let's look our next question. So our ninth question is 15, 10, 5, so on in this AP. So this is a sequence which is AP. So you have a one AP. 15, 10, 5, so on. Next, sum of first 10 term is, so you have to find S10. Okay, so you have a value of n is 10, the value of a is 15. Now you have to find the value of d. So 10 minus 15 you will get minus 5. So now put the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is the value of n? 10 upon 2. Value of a 15 plus again 10 minus 1. The value of d is minus 5. So 2 5s are 10, 15 2s are 30 plus 10 minus 1 9 into minus 5. So 5, 30, 9 5 ja minus 45, plus minus gets minus. Now you will get 5 minus 15. So 15 5 ja 75. So your answer is minus 75, means option number A. Next our question number 10. So first of all read the question number 10. In an AP, first term is 1 and the last term is 20. The sum of all term is 399. Then n is equal to what? So you have a value of, means you have a value of Sn, A and Tn. So what is the value of T1 or A? Is first term means 1 and the value of Tn means last term is 20, and Sn, the value of Sn is 399. So you have a one formula. Open your page number. We had already discussed this formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2. Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket T1 plus Tn. This is also formula to find the sum of AP. Okay, so here you don't have a value of n, so but you have a value of Sn. So put the value of Sn 399. 399. You don't know the value of n, so as it is, the value of T1 is 1 and value of Tn is 20. So 399 as it is, n upon 2 as it is, then you will get 21. Now 2 is multiplied on that side, so 399 into 2 is equal to 21n. So 21 comes downside, so 399 into 2 upon 21 is equal to n. Now cancel it. 3 7 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 3 ja, 7 1 ja. Now remaining is 6, 7 9 ja. Now 19 2 ja, 38. So you will get the value of n is 38. So your option number is B. So your B option is correct. So this is our question number first. All questions, there are total 10 questions, so this all 10th question is completed. Now next start our question number second. Now question number second is find the fourth term from the end is an AP, minus 11, minus 8, minus 5 and so on. Last term is 49. So first of all we have to write the an AP. So what is the AP? Minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, so on. The last term is 49. Okay, so you have a given AP minus 11, minus 8, minus 5 and last term is 49, and you have to find the fourth term from the end is an AP. Fourth term from the end, fourth term from the end is an AP. इसका मतलब क्या है कि मतलब आपको पीछे से जो चौथा टर्म है वो फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द n, then minus it 3, then you will get the last fourth terms. Okay, so first of all you have to find the n. So there is a we don't have n, so first of all we have to find the n, but we have a tn. So the value of tn is 49. The value of a is minus 11. Then you have to find the value of d. So how to find the value of d? T2 minus T1. So minus 8 minus 11. Then you will get minus 8 plus 11. So your value is 3. Now again you have to find minus 5 plus 8. Then you will get plus 3. So your value of d is 3. So now find the value of n. So you have tn, so you put the formula of tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of tn is 49. The value of a is minus 11. We don't know the value of n. The value of d is 3. So 49 as it is, minus 11 as it is. Solve the bracket. So plus 3n minus 3. Now 49 minus minus plus, then you will get minus 14 plus 3n. So minus 40 come on that side, that will become plus 49 plus 40 is equal to 3n. So 9 and 4, 3, 4 and 1, 5, 6 is equal to 3n. So you will get the value of n is 63 upon 3 is equal to n. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. The value of n is 21. So you have to find the value, this is your value of n, means the total number of term is 21. So you have to find the which is the last fourth term, means which is the last fourth end term. Okay, so you have to minus it minus 21 minus 3. So आपको क्या करना है, 21 में से अगर आप 3 माइनस करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, then you will get the last end fourth term. Okay, so here you have to write the fourth term from the end. The fourth term from the end. So the total term is 21, then minus it 3, then you will get 18. So your 18 term is a last fourth end term. Okay, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द T18. ओके, सो इफ आप T18 फाइंड कर लेंगे तो यही आपका आंसर होगा. उसने क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला था कि पीछे से जो चौथा टर्म आ रहा है वो फाइंड कीजिए. तो पीछे से चौथा टर्म, तो अगर हमारा टोटल 21 है तो उसमें से जो चौथा टर्म होगा पीछे से वो 18 ही होगा, तो वही हमें फाइंड करना है. तो फॉर्मूला लिखिए T18 इज इक्वल टू A प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू D. नाउ हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज 18. Value of n is 18. Now put the value of n. So T18, the value of A is minus 11. Value of n is 18 minus 1 into D. The value of D is 3. Now minus 11 as it is 18 minus 1 17 into 3. Minus 11 plus 17 3 is 51. Then you will get 40. So the value of T18 is 40. Now write the final answer. So the final answer is the fourth term from the end is an AP. The fourth term from the end is an AP is 40. So now your question number second is completed. Let's see our question number third. Now question number third. So first of all read the question number third. In an AP the 10th term is 46. So you have a 10th term means T10 is 46. The sum of 5th and 7th term is 52. So you have T5 plus T7 is equal to 52. So find the AP. So you have to find the AP. So first of all we will write which is given. So first we have T10. The value of T10 is 49 and T5 plus T7 is 52. Okay, so you have to find the AP. So if you have to find the AP, so first of all you have to know the first term and common difference. So first of all we have to find the first term and common difference. So here T10, so here formula also apply that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So apply the formula. So solution here T10 is equal to 49. So the value of n is 10. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The value of T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So the value of T10 is 49 A plus 9D. So इसको सीधा करके लिखेंगे तो A plus 9D equal to 49. This is your equation number first. Okay. Now same as find this also. So you will get the equation. So T5 is plus T7 equal to 52. So first of all you have to find the value of T5 plus T7. So the value of T5, what we will get? A plus 5 minus 1 into D, and the value of T7 is A plus 7 minus 1 into D equal to 52. So A plus 4D plus A plus 6D equal to 52. Okay. Now A and A you will get 2A plus 4 and 6 you will get 10D is equal to 52. Now take the common. So 2 is common. So you will get A plus 5D equal to 52. Now 2 divided by 52, then you will get A plus 5D equal to 52 upon 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Then you will get the equation A plus 5D equal to 26. This is your equation number second. Now this is your first equation and this is your second equation. So here A is same, so you can subtract it. So subtracting equation first from second. If you subtract, then you will get the value of D. So A plus 5D equal to 26. A plus 9D equal to 49. Minus, minus, minus. Okay. So here you will get 4D, and here this is cancelled, and here 9 minus 6 3, 4 minus 2 2. Some mistakes. So first of all, read the question again. In an AP, the 10th term is 46. 10th term, look here, 49, not 46. So here also 46. Here also 46. Now all is okay. Now here also 46. So you will get 20. Okay. So now D equal to minus 20 upon minus 4, then you will get 5. So you have the value of 5. The value of D is 5. So you have a value of D is 5. Now put the value of D in equation first or second, anywhere. So we will put the value of D in equation second. So right here substituting D equal to 5 in equation second. Okay, so your equation second is A plus 5D equal to 26. So A plus the value of D is 5, so 5 into 5 equal to 26. So A plus 25 equal to 26. Now A comes on right hand side, so 26 minus 25, so you will get A equal to 1. So your first term is 1 and common difference is D. So right here, the first term of an AP is 1 and common difference is 5. Now you have the value of A and D. Now you have to find the AP. So first of all, T1 is equal to A is equal to 1. So the value of T1 is A. Now you have to find the value of T2. So you know the formula T1 plus D. The value of T1 is 1 and the value of D is 5. So you will get 6. Again T3 is equal to T2 plus D. The value of T2 is 6 and the value of D is 5. So 11. So आपको क्या AP फाइंड करना था, तो देखिए हमारे AP का फर्स्ट टर्म 1 हो गया, सेकेंड टर्म 6 हो गया, थर्ड टर्म 11 हो गया. सो यहाँ पर लिख दीजिए क्या पूछा है हम लोगों को क्वेश्चन में, फाइंड द AP. सो यहाँ पे लिखिए द AP इज 1 6 11 सो ऑन. सो बस इस तरह से आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 करना था. लेट्स सी अवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Our next question is question number 4. So first of all, read the question. So in the AP, which fourth term is 15 and the ninth term is 13 minus 13, sorry. Find the sum of the first 10 numbers. So you have given the value of T4 is minus 15 and T9 is minus 13, and you have to find the SN, means sum of 10th term. Okay, so first of all you have to find the value of A and value of D, then you have to get the answer S10. Okay, so first of all you have to make the equation with the help of T4 and T5. So then you will get 2 equation, then add or subtract these equation, then you will get the value of A and D. So let's see how to solve this question. So you have the value of T4. The value of T4 is minus 15 and the value of T9 is minus 30. and you have to find the value of S10, sum of first 10 term. Okay, so with the help of these and this you will get the two equation. So first of all you have to write the one statement here. The first term is an AP is A and common difference is D. Okay, so here T4 is equal to minus 15. So your value of n is 4. Now put the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now the value of n is 4, so T4 is equal to A as it is, the value of n is 4 minus 1, the value and D as it is. So the value of T4 is 4, minus 15. So put the value of T4, A as it is, 4 minus 1, 3, D. Now write it in proper form, A plus 3D equal to minus 15. This is your equation number first. Now same as solve these equation. So T9 is equal to minus 30. So here n is 9. Now again put the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The value of n is 9. A plus 9 minus 1 into D. Now the value of Tn is minus 30. So put the value of Tn is equal to A as it is, 9 minus 1, 8D. Now write in proper form 8D minus 30. This is your equation number second. Now look, this is your first equation and this is your second equation. Here the same pair is A. So you have to subtract from equation number second from first. So write here subtracting equation first from second. Now your equation second is A plus 8D is equal to minus 30 and equation first is A plus 3D minus 15. Now minus and minus will plus. So it will cancel, 8 minus 3 5D and here minus 15. So you will get D equal to minus 15 upon 5. Minus 3. So the value of D is minus 3. Now substitute the value of D in equation 1 or second. So I will put the value of D in equation first. So right here substituting D equal to minus 3 in equation first. So your first equation is A plus 3D is equal to minus 15. So A plus 3 minus 3 is equal to minus 15. Now 3 3s are 9. So A equal to minus 9 equal to minus 15. So A equal to minus 15 minus 9 comes on right hand side, then it will become plus. So A equal to 9 minus 5 minus 6. So you will get the value of D is minus 3 and value of A is minus 6. Okay, now find S10. Here the value of n is 10. Now put the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So the value of n, is 10. Now 10 upon 2. The value of A is minus 6. The value of n is 10 minus 1. The value of D is minus 3. So you will get 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12 plus 9 into minus 3. So 5 minus 12 plus minus 27. Now 5 as it is, minus 12 minus 27. So 5. Now add it, minus and minus plus. So 7 and 2 9, 2 or 1 3. So you will get 5 into minus 39. 2 6 are 12 minus 12 plus as it is 9 3 are 27 plus minus minus. Yeah, it's okay. Now multiply it. 5 9 ja 45, carry 4, 5 3 ja 15 or 4 19. So you will get the value of S10 is minus 195. So you have to write the final answer. So what is your final answer? Find the sum of the first 10 number. So you have to write here the sum of first 10 number. First 10 number is minus 195. So this is your question number 4th. Now let's look our question number 5th. Our next question is question number 5th. So 2 APs are given. So you have a 2 AP. First is 9, 7 and 5 and second is 24, 21 and 8. If nth term of both the progressions are equal. आपको दोनों टर्म्स के जो प्रोग्रेशंस है वो इक्वल है, मीन्स nth टर्म जो है इक्वल है। मीन्स अगर हम लोग 9, 7 एंड 5 का Tn फाइंड करेंगे तो जो हमें आएगा वो किसके इक्वल होगा? 24, 21 एंड 28 के Tn के इक्वल होगा। हम लोग को फाइंड क्या करना है? वैल्यू ऑफ एंड वैल्यू ऑफ Tn। ओके, सो ये फाइंड करना है। सपोज कीजिए हमारा वैल्यू ऑफ Tn जो है वो 10 आया, सो हमें क्या फाइंड करना रहेगा? T10। ओके, सो इस तरह से फाइंड करना है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? हमारा फर्स्ट AP। ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th, द फर्स्ट गिवन AP is 9, 7 and 5. सो यहाँ पे अगर हमारा AP 9, 7 एंड 5 दिया हुआ है, सो इससे हम लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ A इज 9 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ D इज 7 minus 9, you will get minus 2. Now find the Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so we don't know the value of n, so you have a value of A 9 plus n minus 1 into D minus 2. Now multiply minus 2, so 9 plus minus 2n plus 2. Now open the bracket. So 9 minus 2n plus 2. So you will get 11 minus 2n. Tn. This is your first equation. Now the second AP. The second given AP is, what is this? 24, 21 and 18. 24, 21 and 18, so on. So here the value of A is 24 and the value of D is 21 minus 24. Then you will get minus 3. Okay, again same process, do it same process. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The value of A is 24, n minus 1. The value of D is minus 3. So you will get 24 plus minus 3n minus minus plus, so 3. So 24, open the bracket, minus 3n plus 3. So you will get 24 plus 3, 27 minus 3n. So this is your next term. So you have given one condition which is given the both term is equal, both nth term is equal, means 11 minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 3n. So right here according to given condition. 11 minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 3n. Now 11 minus 27 equal to minus 3n plus 2n. So you will get 7 minus 1 6 and 16 is equal to minus n. So n equal to 16. So the value of n is 16. Now you have to find the nth term, means you have to find the t16. Okay, so here n is equal to, here right now t is equal to 60. Now n is equal to 16. Okay, now find the tn. So tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of n, so t16, the value of a, you have to put the value of a 9 and value of d is minus 2, and also the value of a you have to put 24 and 3. मीन्स आप ये भी वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हो और ये भी वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हो. ओके, सो मैं पुट करूँगा फर्स्ट वाले ए पी का वैल्यू. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज 9 प्लस minus 16 minus 1 and the value of d is minus 2. So 9 plus 15 into minus 2. So 9 plus 15 to the minus 30. So 9 minus 30. So you will get minus 21. The value of t16 is minus 21. So this is your final answer. So let's see our question number 6. Our question number 6. What is the question number 6? First read it, question number 6. So if sum of third and eighth term of an AP is 7, so you have given the third and eighth term. So T3 and T8 is equal to 7. And next, and sum of 7th and 14th term is 3. So sum of 7th and 14th term is minus 3. Then find the 10th term. Find the 10th term means you have to find the value of T10. Okay, so let's see how to solve this. So first of all you have to find the value of Tn, then find the value of T8, then you will put the value, you will add the value of Tn, T3 and T8. Then you will get the value of, you will get one equation. Okay, so let's see. So the value of T3, here the value of n is 3. So put the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now the value of n is 3. So a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Then you will get a plus 2d. This is your value of T3. Now same as find the value of T8. So the value of T8 is equal to, here n is 8. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T8 a plus 8 minus 1 into d. So you will get a plus 7d. So the value of T8 is a plus 7d. Now put the value on the equation. So T3 plus T8 is equal to 7. So the value of T3 is a plus 2d and the value of T8 is a plus 7d is equal to 7. Third and eighth term is 7. Okay. Now a and a, 2a plus 7 or 2, 9d is equal to 7. This is your first equation. Now solve the same as this equation. So here you have to find T7. So the value of n is 7. Again formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T7 is equal to a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Then you will get a plus 6d. This is your T7 value. Now you have to find the value of T14. So here T14, now value of n is 14. Now again put the formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus 14 minus 1 into d, then you will get a plus 13d. So Tn is equal to, T14. The value of T14 is a plus 30d. Now put the value of T7 and T40 in the equation. So the equation is T7 plus T14 is equal to minus 3. So put the value of T7 a plus 6d and value of T14 is a plus 30d. Now a and a, 2a, 6 and 13, 19d is equal to minus 3. This is your second equation. Now your first and second equation, here the same pair, so you will subtract it. So write here, subtracting equation first from second. If you subtract it, you will get the value of d. So subtract it. So 2a plus 19d minus 3. Again 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. So minus, minus and minus. So it will cancel. 19 minus 9, 10d, and here minus 10. So you will get minus 1. The value of d is minus 1. Now put the value of d in equation first, then you will get the value of a. So right here substituting d equal to minus 1 in equation first. So your first equation is 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. So 2a plus 9 minus 1 is equal to 7. So you will get 2a minus 9 equal to 7. So 2a equal to 7 plus 9. Now 2a equal to 7 plus 9, 16. So the value of a is 8. Okay. Now you have to find T10. So here write T10. Now value of n is 10. Now put the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now the value of n is 10. The value of a is 8. The value of n is 10. And the value of d is minus 1. Now 8 plus 9 minus 1. So 8, 9 1 ja 9. So you will get minus 9. So minus 1. The value of T10 is 1. So what is your final answer? So the value of 10th term is, right, the value of 10th term is minus 1. So बस इस तरह से आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 करना था. So here our problem set 3 part 1 is completed. If you understand all the sums clearly, so like the video, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, then comment. You can comment on the comment box. So thanks for watching.